Hello friends, this is Mr. Alval Reddy, an eminent expert from pharmaceutical sector. Today in this first part, we discuss in detail about new pharma project. I mean, how a new entrepreneur select a pharma industry. Is pharma industry so profitable? How is global market? Brief introduction about pharma industry, growth and development. At the outset, what are the basic requirements to set up a pharma industry? Why entrepreneurs should enter into the pharma industry? Is pharmaceutical industry so profitable? We must say 100% yes. Like other best profitable industries, pharmaceutical industry also a very best profitable industry because everyone wants medicine from time to time, and this brings a lot of money to the industry, I mean to the company. Now let's just go into the brief about this pharma market at a global level. If we just go through the global market for pharmaceuticals reached $1.2 trillion in 2018, up $100 billion from 2017 according to the Global Use of Medicines report from the IQVIA, Institute for Human Data Science. Going forward, the global market will grow by 4 to 5% CAGR, reaching $1.5 trillion. CAGR abbreviated compound annual growth rate. What is pharmaceutical industry? The pharmaceutical industry discovers, develops, produces, manufactures and markets pharmaceutical drugs, products for use as medications to the administered to patients with the aim to cure them the symptoms. Pharmaceutical companies may deal in generic and branded medications. In next parts, we learn what is generic and what is branded. Growth. How this pharmaceutical industry grown? The growth mainly divided into 4 stages, periods. The first stage, if we saw from mid 18 AD to 1945, this industry started from botanicals to the first generation synthetic drugs. What is botanicals and what is synthetic drugs we learn in next parts. Second stage. The second stage started from 1945 to 1970. We may also call post-war years also. In this period, the pharmaceutical industry majorly grown on discovery of the new classes of antibacterial drugs, including the cephalosporins. What are antibacterial drugs and what is cephalosporins we discuss in next parts. Third stage starts between 1970 to 1980s. In third stage from 1970s to 1980s, the pharma industry discovered and developed majorly on statins. We may also call this is a statins period. What are the statins? We learn in next parts. Fourth stage. Fourth stage started from 1980s to present modern pharmaceutical industry, which explored a lot of different therapeutic segments, which we are using at present generic products and branded formulations. We will discuss in detail about generic drugs and branded formulations in next parts. Now let us discuss about how to start a pharmaceutical company, like procedure, documents, licenses, qualification for starting a new pharmaceutical industry, company. Any new entrepreneur need to know. These are mandatory to his industry to make more profits. What are the prior requirements? Consultants, mainly chartered accountant, who is very important for the company. Business plan consultants, project report consultants, and financial resources consultants. Bank current account. To select best bank, particularly any nationalized bank is best, and open a current account. What are the important steps, procedures and sequences like office, manufacturing site, and manpower? What qualifications and eligibilities for EP or competent person, qualified chemists or pharmacists? Which licenses required like drug license, trading license, export license, DGFT, etc. What are the documents and requirements for drug license? What are the documents required to Drug Control Administration for local, state level and central level like CDSCO? What are the regulatory documents requirements like ISO, GMP, WHO GMP, EDQM and USFDA? What is environmental clearance like CFE, CFO? There is 3 categories in this. One is orange, green and red. These categories approvals comes from state as well as central authorities. What are the documents and requirements for goods and services tax registration, GST, for a pharma company? What is CGST, what is SGST, what is IGST, we discuss in detail in next parts. What are the documents and requirements to register a pharmaceutical company under Companies Act? Like DSC, DIN, TAN, PAN, MOA and AOA. We will discuss in detail in next chapters. Name of the company. To identify and select name of the company which we need to register on Register of Companies by Government of India. Company directors. Need 2 directors for private limited company. What are the documents and requirements for trademark registration? What are the documents and requirements for FSSAI registration or license, food, vitamins and nutraceuticals? How much investment required for starting pharmaceutical company? Fixed investments, capital investments and inventory investments. And what are those we discuss in detail in next parts. How to establish a pharmaceutical industry? We need to decide based on SWOT analysis with an advice of well-experienced project consultants. How we select type of pharma industry like bulk drugs. In bulk drugs also we have 2 different segments. One is synthetic segment and another one is fermentation based. In this both segments also we have 2 types of categories is there like intermediates and APIs. Another type of industry is direct compression granules. Final one project industry is finished products like tablets, capsules. In this segment also we have 2 different types of generic and branded. What is third party manufacturing, contract manufacturing and loan license manufacturing? If we manufacture our products on other party facility or manufacturing site, we discuss in detail in next parts. What is the marketing scope of pharma company? It depends like domestic marketing and export marketing. In export marketing we have 2 types of markets. First one is regulated markets and second one is unregulated markets. Marketing subject is very vast and ocean. We discuss in detail in next parts. Thanks for watching our video. If you like our content, please like, subscribe, comment and share our video.